Hey everybody, it's Sean from GoPart.com. We're here today working on a 1995 Nissan Altima. We're going to be showing you how to change the power window switch. We're right here. Sometimes if water gets down inside of it, it can short. Sometimes the little buttons break. So it's a fairly easy installation. It's going to be the same as pretty much any 93 to 97. We're going to go ahead and pry and remove the window switch. You'll need the small flat blade screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver. So we'll go ahead and show you how to get that done right now. Now to replace the power window switch, after you've pried it out with the door frame there, you just want to loosen and remove these 3 Phillips screws. And that allows you to remove the bezel, and the switch is free. Now, there's nothing wrong with our switch, so we're going to reattach it, aside from the fact that it's a little dusty. Insert the switch into the bezel. Tighten the Phillips screws. Connect the wiring harness. Okay. Now it's just a matter of snapping the switch back into place. Go ahead and test it. And we're all set.